Machine learning applications have been the target of considerable normative scrutiny over the past decade, including at this very conference, but people are increasingly concerned about machine learning research too. Reproducibility, environmental impacts, welfare of crowd workers, military applications of AI, and algorithmic discrimination are just some examples of the types of issues people bring up when talking about the ethics of machine learning research. But what are the ethical issues at stake in machine learning research? What responsibility do different parts of the research community have to address these issues? And what are the relevant mechanisms for doing so? The debate unfolding in this community lacks clarity and consensus on these fundamental questions. In this paper, we therefore attempt to disentangle and categorize a wide range of issues related to the ethics of machine learning research. In particular, we break the issues down into three key categories: research integrity, research process harms, and downstream consequences. Research integrity focuses on practices that ensure robust scientific findings. This can include avoiding misrepresentation and fraud, ensuring research is reproducible, and adequately addressing assumptions and limitations. It's an area that has received attention across many fields and is the most established of the three, though we identify particular ways in which the field of machine learning could make improvements. Research process harms are those that could affect stakeholders due to the way the research is conducted. Some aspects of this, such as the welfare of human and animal participants, has also received a lot of attention in other fields, and led to the widespread adoption of institutional review boards and similar oversight mechanisms. However, these mechanisms were not necessarily designed for machine learning research in particular, and may not account for stakeholders such as crowd workers involved in data labeling. Downstream consequences can include both the impacts that result from the practical application of research findings in ways that were intended, as well as those that result from errors, accidents, or misuse and abuse. Mechanisms for considering and mitigating harmful downstream consequences and societal impacts are less well established, but are particularly critical for the field of machine learning given the increasing influence of such technology over our lives. The debate currently unfolding about ethical practices in machine learning research has tended to conflate issues across these different categories. For example, treating concerns with downstream applications as analogous to the traditional concerns with the treatment of research subjects. In our paper, we highlight important differences between these categories, including differences in the tools and actors that are best suited to address the ethical issues within each category. We examine a number of potential governance mechanisms, including agenda setting, i.e. directing research towards socially beneficial applications, training, rules and requirements, review, including peer review and institutional review, incentive mechanisms, complaints mechanisms, and sanctions. We also examine different actors in the ecosystem who may be best placed to execute these mechanisms, such as research institutions, publication venues, legislators and regulators, funders, educational institutions, and professional societies. And we show how different actors can make effective use of different governance mechanisms to address specific ethical issues. We believe our paper will be of particular interest to those who are keen to contribute to questions around how machine learning research can be conducted ethically and with positive social impact, and who would benefit from a framework to structure these conversations more effectively.